What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a fly fan, not a fly swatter, but a fly fan. Now, I do not know if this kills flies or not, if it chops them up, if they come close to the food. I hope not, because you will have chopped flies in your hamburgers. So, other than that, we will get into this. I'm pretty sure these blades are not sharp. I'm thinking not, but these things are getting real popular. I see. I happened to walk in Sam's Club and I actually seen these. All right. Now this popped up on my Amazon feed. So expect me to be buying an Amazon product as well. But I was already in Sam's Club and they had an instant savings on these. I believe I bought it for like two for $20. I think they took like $10 off. So originally they were supposed to be $30, but I bought it for $20. So $10 each. So I'm not sure if this is some name brand or anything, but I just know it was in Sam's Club. All right. Did I say Costco at first? Sam's Club. And if I did say Sam's Club, good for me. All right, so if you don't have one already, get yourself a pair of electric scissors. You will make your life so much easier, you guys. So much easier. All you do is take your electric scissors and... Oh, it says portable charger as well. Nice. All right. I love this electric scissors. This is so cool, you guys. Oh, this is nice. Brand right here, Tech 2. I wasn't really paying attention to it, but yeah. So it looks like we have a button, I'm assuming for power on, and then you have USB Type C. That must be the charger port right there, and then you have your dots right there. Must be the indicator. Here goes the bottom. I haven't even looked at the bottom yet. Oh, you can hang this. I like this product, you guys. This is nice. So right here you can hang this, you guys. Why do you need to hang this? To blow flies down? I don't know why would you need to hang this, but do they tell you why you need to hang it? Oh, these directions are so small. All right, so they have here the capacity. Yes, you have a flex neck. I call it a goose neck, but flex neck is what they call it, or flexible neck. LED indicator, USB Type C charging port, power button, blase, and it just says hook. So I am gonna go ahead and hit the power button. I just want to see this thing on, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, so let's check it out. So it's not blowing. Is there a speed to this? Okay, so this is just off and on. But my thing is, it's not really blowing down. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't think this is going to keep flies away, you guys. I'm going to turn the other one on. And the battery is at 75%. Battery 75%, so it should be good. Let me see. Okay, so it don't hurt. I sacrificed my finger for y'all. Okay, so the fans are going, but the thing is, it's not like it's pushing air down, and I can't really feel no breeze of it pushing up. So if this was upside down, I don't know, you guys. I don't think this would keep flies away. That's just me personally. All right, you guys, so these things are pretty fun to look at. But just to give y'all some transparency here, I don't feel no air coming here. Like a little bit, like tiny air. And it's not like it's forced to bring anything down. So I don't know how this will stop flies. Now on the top, same thing. I don't feel like no heavy force of air. It's cool because like maybe I could turn it and You could put it over the food like that, maybe. I don't know, but this look cool as well, right? This could be the thumbnail. All right, anyways. All right, you guys, so we are back with the fly fans. This one is fully charged on this side, and this one we left alone because I want to see if there's a difference between the speed when it's fully charged and regular charge. I could feel air, but it's not like harsh air. You know what I'm saying? It's not powerful. If it was powerful, then it will cool down your food as well, right? So you got to take one for the other, you know. I just thought about that. If I have this over top of the food and the fan was strong, wouldn't that cool down the food? You can't win. That's it, you guys. There's nothing else with this. I can see if it charges up my phone real quick. And yes, so you can actually use this as a power bank. That's nice. So that's pretty cool. So I don't know if y'all can see a difference, but the one on the left is going a tad bit faster. Just a tad. All right. But they are still pretty cool, you guys. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.